Hi everyone, my name is Prerana. I'm a curriculum designer and program facilitator with Joy of Anubhava. I wanted to share my thoughts about a core skill that we focus on through our workshops called empathy. Empathy is one's ability to understand and sense another person's feelings or emotions about a particular issue or situation and be sensitive towards the other person. Given how challenging and uncertain the recent times have been, as educators, I'm sure you'll agree that empathy is an essential life skill for all children, youth, and adults as we grow and adapt to change. This is for two reasons. Empathy helps to build a person's social awareness by making them open and respectful to different perspectives. Secondly, being empathetic towards others helps to build stronger, more meaningful relationships with them. So no matter what age we are or what work we plan to do, even through a screen, we'll always have people around to interact and empathize with. Because empathy takes time to build, we at Joy of Anubhava consider it crucial to begin the process from an early age. Through our workshops, we provide various empathy building activities to children through arts activities and also by helping them listen to each other's perspectives or opinions. One such activity is a character monologue where children reimagine and narrate the story from a specific character's perspective. This helps them to understand where the emotions, motivations, or behaviors of that character are stemming from, even if it is the antagonist in the story. For example, while we were exploring the Jungle Book, one of our participants did a monologue from Sher Khan's perspective, and she shared with us that Sher Khan is not evil in the story. He's just being a tiger, and it is in a tiger's nature to attack others for his own survival. Another empathy building activity that we do through our workshops is a diary entry from a character's point of view. We've also gotten children to recreate the cover of a book based on the emotional journey of a character or on their own reading of the book. Curious to know more? Go ahead, try these activities with your students and tell us how they felt. We'd love for you to join us at one of our workshops to explore more such exciting activities with storybooks and the arts. Let us know if you have questions. Thank you.